Despite dramatic changes in society's perception of justice and laws enacted to protect minorities and other disadvantaged Americans, access to justice remains an unfulfilled dream for most Americans. People know when they have problems, but they feel they do not have the ability to resolve those problems. It is my hope that the Civil Rights Justice Center will serve as a vehicle for the average person to use the court system to protect their rights and to achieve justice. I was born in New York City in the mid-1950s and grew up on the streets of East Harlem. As I approached adulthood, and after my family moved further north in Manhattan into a drug-infested area of Washington Heights, I began to realize how difficult life was for so many of those around me. Ordinary people struggled to get and keep jobs, and for some, just to stay alive and keep their children safe was a full-time concern. I wanted to be in a position to help and teach others skills that would make their lives easier. In college, I learned how laws are created and also how many of them are misused. I was appalled at the level of discrimination and oppression that was sanctioned by courts and ignored by lawmakers. My personal experience in being repeatedly stopped by the police for no apparent reason gave me that final push to do whatever it took to go to law school and to become a lawyer. I also knew I wanted to give the disadvantaged and voiceless a chance at justice. I wanted to be a legal pioneer. After 35 years in the practice and continued study of law and learning how to advocate for the rights of others, I decided it was time to make a real difference and to focus my practice in areas where I believe I can do the most good. This was the impetus for the creation of the Civil Rights Justice Center. The center is designed to be a place where you can come to seek legal advice, learn your rights, and improve